Good morning students, hope you all are good. Today we will start chapter number 7, Shapes and Patterns. Today's topic will help you to solve task of week 1, day 1 and 2. On day 1, you just have to read the topic. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize the special relation between objects. The first topic is position. In this topic, you will learn inside or outside, top or bottom, and middle. Inside or outside. On page number 87. Bubbles is sitting inside the tent because it is raining outside. Inside means the inner side of something. As you can see, Bubbles is sitting inside. Outside means the outer side of something. As you can see, raining outside. In this example, you can see cat is sitting inside the box, and here a cat is standing outside the box. Here the dog is standing outside, and one dog is sitting inside the house. Now we will learn about the positions top or bottom. Wrinkle is standing at the top of the slide. She is Wrinkle, and where she is standing? On the top of the slide. Bubbles is sitting at the bottom of the slide. Where is Bubbles? Here. He is Bubbles. Bubbles is sitting at the bottom of the slide. In this example, shirt is at the top. Jeans is at the middle position. Shoes are at the bottom position. Here you can see there are 3 shelves. The first is called top. Second one is middle. The last one at the bottom. With the help of this lecture, you can solve the task of week 1, day 1 and 2. For the day 1, you just read and learn the page number 86 and then solve these worksheets. If you have hard copy, you just circle the object. You can paste stickers and also draw these pictures, or you can write the names of these objects. But you have to draw the second worksheet. Good luck.